Two students score 80 on the same test, but one ranks in the top 10% and the other barely passes. How? Because percentage and percentile are not the same, and most people confuse them every single day. This mix-up can cost you big, whether you are applying to college, understanding your child's test report, or analyzing performance in your job. But once you get this difference, you will see the hidden story behind every number. And wait till you see how a lower score can actually mean you are doing better than most. Sounds wild, right? Let's break it down. A percentage is simple. It's a number out of 100. If you score 75%, you got 75 out of 100 marks. It tells you how much you achieved, not how you compare to others. It's like saying, I finished 75% of the race. Cool, but did you win? Now, percentile. This one trips people up. A percentile tells you where you stand compared to everyone else. If you are in the 90th percentile, you scored better than 90% of the people. It's not about what you scored, it's about who you beat. Two people can have the same percentage but totally different percentiles, depending on how tough the competition is. This is why percentile feels unfair sometimes, but it's brutally honest. In exams like SAT, GRE and GEE, your raw score is just step 1. What colleges really care about your percentile, because that tells them how you stack up against the rest of the world. Same goes for performance reviews, salary benchmarking, even fitness apps. Percentiles rank you, percentages measure you. So what's the bottom line? Percentages tell you how much, percentiles tell you how well. One measures achievement, the other measures competition. Know both and you will never read a test score or a performance chart the same way again. Don't just score better or rank smarter.